There are 400, from the statistics that I know, there's 400,000 students that graduate every year from universities in Pakistan.
That's not correct. It's 3 million students.
3 million graduates.
Not graduates, 3 million students. Oh, you're talking about just the ones that finish final year?
Yes.
Okay, 3 million, yes. 3 million students total from first year to the final year. So like it's a 4-year program. For DPT and medical colleges, it can go up to 5.
Yeah.
So there's 3 million. But sorry, I didn't even wait for your question, but the ones that finish...
No, this is good. This is what I wanted to clarify, because the stat I read was the number that graduates every year from, let's say, university going into the workforce.
Yeah.
So that number was like close to 500,000, 400,000 or something.
That sounds fine. But I think the number that finish high school is around 20 million.
Right.
30 million. So it's around like a 27 million gap.
So 3 crore people finish high school, 30 million. Of that,
3 million are in some form of university education. First year, second year, third year.
So 30 million ka 10% goes to university.
Exactly. So 27 million is the
Don't go to university.
Don't go to university, but they're eligible to go to university.
But they don't go because it's a funding problem.
That's my thesis. ये मेरा thesis है, ठीक है, कि मेरा hypothesis ये है कि 30 million students में से 27 million have dropped out, and that's what I'm trying to encourage them to do कि भाई, you can take money from our app. हम आपको बहुत पाकिस्तान में सबसे सब्सिडाइज हम कर रहे हैं 50% lower than the banks, not even 1 or 2. बहुत सस्ती फंडिंग हमने की हुई है, लें और अपनी एजुकेशन खत्म करें. But
what is the cost of your funding?
It's 1.4% per month. It's a JARA service charge. It's not interest.
It's not interest. It's even Islamic finance compliant.
It's Islamic financing, Sharia compliance है. हमारे पास मुफ्ती हमारे बोर्ड पे भी हैं, हमारे पास सर्टिफिकेट भी है. Everything is Sharia compliant. So
1.4% per month annualized works out to about 16-17%.
Yeah.
And that's cheaper than the bank. That's Kaibor is now 17% as of right now.
So it's cheaper than the banks, yes. Like the banks are, like remember banks आपको ना collateral भी देते हैं.
Actually, you don't do any collateral.
हमारा collateralize नहीं है, ठीक है.
So you just do bank statements.
Bank statement चाहिए, fee चालान चाहिए आपको, CNIC चाहिए. ये तीनों चीजें आप upload कर दे ऐप पर और आपका हो जाएगा.
So it's that simple. अपने parents का मैं CNIC, बैंक स्टेटमेंट, फी चालान अपलोड किया और कितनी देर में लोन मिल जाएगा?
24 आवर्स में आपको डिसीजन मिल जाएगा कि आप अप्रूव हो या रिजेक्ट हो.
एंड मुझे वो लोन पे बैक कितने अरसे में करना है?
आप चूज कर सकते हैं कि 3 महीने, 6 महीने, 9 महीने, 12 महीने. सो आपके इंस्टॉलमेंट प्लान हैं, आप इंस्टॉलमेंट प्लान से चूज कर सकते हैं कि आपको क्या चाहिए. किस्तों में हम कर देते हैं.
ये तो बड़ा सिंपल है.
बहुत सिंपल है. हम बहुत सिंपल रखने की कोशिश
करें. So you're saying that then you're going to take that 3 million number and you aspire to take double that number in the number of universities.
I mean, I don't know whether we can double it or not, but obviously my goal is to try and get as many people educated as possible.
Very interesting.
And not my goal, Edufy's goal, and Edufy की पीछे पूरी एक team भी है. So me and my team.
And is this limited to higher education or is it K through, मतलब first class 1 से लेके A levels, inter, metric, all of that?
So जब हमने शुरू किया था, we started off with just universities, but people felt left out. हमें messages आते थे गिलगित से, बलोचिस्तान से, from schools that why are you guys not giving to us people who are going to school? Why only specific universities? It was specific universities because those are the ones that we had agreements with. But now we have opened it up to everyone. So if you go on our app, you can get the entire, any university, any school, you can get a loan from us for. We are actively marketing on campus with the universities we have agreements with.